Imagine a ship, grander than any other, sailing smoothly across the Atlantic. Its very name evokes dreams of luxury and adventure. Yet this ship, the Titanic, carries with it an ominous fate that is deeply woven into the fabric of maritime history. As it navigated through icy waters, little did the world know that it was on a collision course with catastrophe. The moment it struck that iceberg marked not just an accident, but a haunting reminder of human fallibility and the fragility of our ambitions. On a fateful night in April 1912, Titanic's maiden voyage was met with a series of unfortunate events. The ship, deemed unsinkable, was gliding over the waves, its opulence a facade hiding the impending doom. Passengers danced in ornate ballrooms, unaware of the chilling threat lurking beneath the starlit sky. As the clock struck midnight, a jolting impact shattered the serene atmosphere, and the icy grip of the Atlantic began to claim its prize. An orchestra played on, while terror unfurled silently in the belly of the beast. In the hours that followed, chaos erupted as the realization dawned that the great Titanic was taking on water. Lifeboats were scarce and overcrowded. Many were left behind, stranded in a freezing abyss. The cries for help were swallowed by the endless ocean as bravery and despair intertwined in a desperate struggle for survival. The ship's elegant deck, once alive with laughter, transformed into a scene of heartbreak and tragedy as the reality of the disaster sank in. Lives were irrevocably altered that night, and the sea claimed over 1,500 souls. The aftermath of the Titanic disaster reshaped maritime laws and safety protocols. Investigations revealed negligence and overconfidence in technology that was untested and lacked adequate safety measures. The tragedy acted as a wake-up call. It urged society to confront the vulnerabilities inherent in progress and innovation. Today, the remains of the Titanic lie beneath the waves, a silent monument to those lost. The question lingers: why, despite its technological marvel, did the Titanic fall? As we reflect on the sorrowful tale of the Titanic, it serves as a potent reminder of our vulnerabilities and the ongoing quest for safety in our adventures. The ship was not just a vessel, it was a dream that met a harsh reality. Each story of survival and loss encapsulates the indomitable human spirit, while also echoing lessons from the past. Watch closely, for the story of the Titanic is not just about a ship. It is about humanity's dance with fate, courage in the face of despair, and the enduring impact of one of history's greatest tragedies.